Hey, what's up everybody? It's Kevin and I'm back to show you my favorite way to wrap up an extension cord. It's pretty simple. You grab the end, you take your wrist, you flip, and then loop. 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 Flip, and then loop, and then flip. And that's it. That is the best way to wrap up your extension cord. It prevents any sort of tangles, and whenever you need to use it, you just literally grab it and you throw it out and you'll never get a single tangle again. No loops, no tangles. Flip it, loop it. Flip it, loop it, 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 and then flip it. I love this thing so much. Richard, if you ever watch this, thank you. You're awesome. Best way to ever store your cables. Super simple. I actually learned this from one of my friends who is a videographer. This is how he wraps up all of his audio cables, and this is the magic to making it work. If you like this little bitty video, give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Gotta use this thing, it's awesome.